everyone, and happy Mid-Autumn Festival from the whole team at Fitness Zone. The festival is officially on Monday, October 6, but we decided to start the celebration early. To mark the occasion, I've made 2 very special but simple mooncakes for us to share. We are making a refreshing Chendol Jelly Mooncake, which is a twist on the popular Southeast Asian dessert, and a classic Coconut Snowskin Mooncake. Chendol is a non-traditional flavor for mooncakes, but it's an easy and delicious last-minute treat if you want to celebrate the festival on short notice. Let's start with the quick and easy Chendol Jelly Mooncake. The Chendol Jelly Mooncake is made in 2 layers. We start with the rich Gula Melaka or palm sugar layer, which will be the inner dish. In a pot, add the 100 grams of Gula Melaka, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 5 grams of agar-agar powder, 5 grams of jelly powder, and 500 milliliters of water. Stir them over a low heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, add about 200 milliliters of coconut cream. Stir this well until everything is completely dissolved and mixed. Once dissolved, strain the mixture into a fine sieve to ensure it's perfectly smooth. Pour this mixture into small, flat silicone molds. This will be the inner dish of your mooncake. Leave them to cool or refrigerate for about 2 hours until they are hard. Once set, take them out and put them into a container for later. Now for the main Chendol coconut layer. In a clean pot, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 5 grams of agar-agar powder, 5 grams of jelly powder, 100 grams of castor sugar, and 500 milliliters of water. Bring this to a boil, stirring constantly until the sugar is completely dissolved. Once the sugar is dissolved, add 200 milliliters of coconut cream and stir it in. Strain this final mixture into a sieve for a silky smooth liquid. Now pour a small amount of the coconut mixture into your mooncake molds. Next, add your store-bought Chendol strands on top. You can buy these ready-made from the local supermarket, and they are quite fragrant, so no need to add pandan leaves. Wait until this layer is slightly firmer. You want it starting to harden so the inner dish doesn't sink. Take your chilled Gula Melaka dish and gently place it into the mold. If the dish is too big for the mold, just cut it in half to fit. Then add the remaining coconut and chendol mixture to fill the mold. Let them cool completely. Then refrigerate for about 6 hours or ideally overnight. The next day, gently remove your jelly mooncakes from the mold. Give a gentle squeeze and they should pop out easily, revealing a beautiful layered jelly. Remember, these jelly mooncakes should be consumed within 2 to 3 hours of being left out, or they can start to weep and become watery. Keep them chilled. Now for the delicious homemade coconut filling for our snowskin mooncakes. You'll need 60 grams of unsalted butter. Melt the butter first. Once melted, add 100 grams of shredded coconut, 60 grams of sugar, 200 milliliters of coconut milk, 2 large eggs, and 15 grams of cake flour. Cook this mixture and stir well over heat until it becomes dry and thick, like a paste. Once dry, remove it from the heat and let it cool. Then, wrap it up and chill it in the fridge for about 2 hours to firm up. While the filling is chilling, let's prepare the snowskin dough. In a bowl, mix 50 grams of glutinous rice flour, 50 grams of rice flour, 35 grams of wheat starch, 50 grams of sugar, and 200 milliliters of coconut milk. You can also add some matcha powder for color if you like. Stir well until the mixture is completely smooth and there are no lumps. Steam the mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it becomes translucent and you see no more liquid. Remove the steam dough from the steamer and let it cool completely. To prepare for handling, toast about 10 grams of glutinous rice flour in a dry pan. This toasted flour is for coating the snow skin later, as it can be very sticky. Since you've toasted it, it's safe to consume. Take your chilled coconut filling and the cooled snowskin dough. Weigh the snowskin dough into 25 grams portion and roll them into small balls. Do the same for the coconut filling, weighing it into 25 gram balls. Dust your hands and the dough with the toasted glutinous rice flour. Roll out the dough to form a flat wrapper. Take a coconut ball, wrap the dough completely around it and seal the edges. Now it's time to press it into a mooncake mold. I found these molds at a local supermarket. Press gently into the mooncake mold to create a beautiful pattern. Press it gently and hold for about 5 seconds before you release the pressure and carefully push the mooncake out. And there you have it, a beautiful coconut mooncake with an intricate pattern. And that's it. 2 simple, delicious mooncakes ready for our early mid-autumn celebration. We have the refreshing Chendol Jelly Mooncake and the sweet coconut snowskin mooncake. Thank you for watching. We hope you and your family have a wonderful Mid-Autumn Festival. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival! Bye!